Well, one thing on the religious front that's also kind of sad that I learned about this is my mother's father. Um, well, so they belong to a conservative temple. I actually went a few times with them. Um, but I think in their later years they stopped going. And I think my grandfather really, really wanted to keep going. And he might have even wanted to be Orthodox. I'm not sure. But my grandmother was kind of didn't let, she ruled the roost and they didn't keep going. Well, when my grandfather was very elderly, he was getting dementia, and they had a woman a caretaker who helped take care of him. And apparently, she told me this after they both died. The caretaker said that my grandfather one day started walking to temple, and it was way far away. It was a long walk, and he wasn't able to do it. But this my aunt made the caretaker turn him around and bring him back. And he kept fighting with all his might to stop this caretaker from turning him around. He wanted to go to temple. And that's one of the things I felt I could almost cry about it, felt sad about. That, his wishes, what would have given him comfort in his old age was going back to temple. And he wasn't allowed to. So yeah, that really hurt to hear that.